Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're cutting through maybe some of the usual corporate strategy talk. We're diving straight into something really fundamental for any business. It's physical infrastructure. Because, sometimes the smartest strategic move is just figuring out who you trust to keep the lights on, literally. We've been looking through a whole stack of materials here, describing the services of MKMaintX MetroKleen, specialized commercial facility management and cleaning.
That's right. And for you listening, our mission today is pretty specific, but really vital, I think. We're essentially using this provider, MKMaintX MetroKleen, as a kind of case study. We need to pull out the specific services they offer, understand their operational setup, and crucially, the benefits they claim. What defines top-tier facility management today?
Exactly. We're not just, listing services off a brochure. We want to figure out how these things are supposed to optimize efficiency. How does their promise to, quote, enhance operational efficiency actually work? And why do these sources keep calling regular property maintenance crucial for a business sticking around long term? It's about translating that external service into, well, actual internal results. Right?
Precisely. So let's start with the big picture, Section 1. The core promise and their geographic scope. They position themselves as a nationwide partner. Sounds big, huge scale, massive reach. But what's really interesting when you dig in is how quickly the material grounds this national idea with a very, very strong local focus.
Okay, yeah, let's unpack that a bit. There's sort of tension between claiming nationwide reach but having deep local roots. They say they service clients across the country, but the operational center of gravity, it feels very much here in Massachusetts. I mean, the documents are just full of explicit mentions. Boston, Linfield, MA this, MA that.
And that strong local presence, that's actually key, I think. It suggests that, okay, maybe they can deploy nationally, but their actual standards, their operational methods, they're honed right here. Boots on the ground expertise in a really competitive area like Boston. We even get a specific address, which is telling. 230 Broadway, Suite 205 in Linfield, Massachusetts. A physical anchor point.
Right. That detail really grounds the whole thing, doesn't it? It tells you where the specialized know-how for everything from, say, Boston janitorial services to complex building maintenance is actually based. But let's define that core promise more clearly. What's with the two names, MKMaintX and MetroKleen? What's the strategy there?
The dual branding. That really defines their scope, their mandate. MKMaintX seems to be about the structure, the bones of the building. Comprehensive maintenance. MetroKleen is focused on the environment inside, the cleaning, the janitorial side, air quality, appearance. So the core promise, it's simple on the surface, but actually quite demanding. Provide tailored, bespoke maintenance and cleaning solutions. The aim, keep the client's operations seamless and efficient. It's an integrated approach, see. Total facility performance.
Okay, seamless and efficient. If that's the promise, we need to look under the hood. What tools are they actually using? Which brings us to Section 2, the Comprehensive Service Toolkit. It's clear they want to be seen as more than just, a cleaning crew. They're positioning themselves as essential for total facility upkeep.
Definitely. They list a really extensive set of services. It suggests a kind of one-stop shop philosophy. First, let's take the environmental side, the MetroKleen part. It starts with customized janitorial solutions. And the emphasis on customized. That's the strategic bit right there. They're not just handing out a standard checklist, no. They're tailoring the cleaning to fit the specific client's environment.
Which has to matter hugely, right? Because a standard plan just won't cut it. Think about it. The cleaning needed for a high-tech office is totally different from a busy hospital clinic or retail store. Customization means effectiveness. It means compliance sometimes.
Exactly. And that theme continues with expert floor care services. Now, this isn't just about making floors shiny. I mean, specialized cleaning and polishing, yes, they improve appearance. But crucially, they extend the life of really expensive assets, the flooring itself. So it's kind of like preventative maintenance disguised as cleaning. It looks professional, sure, but it saves the client real money in the long run.
Mm-hmm. And then there's the stuff you don't notice until it goes wrong, like efficient waste management. If you're running a big facility, just getting rid of trash, effectively, without hassle. It's a silent hero. If that basic logistic fails, everything else starts to seize up pretty quickly.
Okay, now let's pivot to the structural side. The MKMaintX part. This is where we get into the heavier stuff. Comprehensive building maintenance. This is your routine upkeep, handling repairs, all designed to keep the physical building safe, functional. And the critical goal here, Reducing downtime. Every minute a system is down costs money.
And what's interesting here, I thought, was the level of detail in the sources about specific infrastructure services. They didn't just say maintenance. They explicitly list HVAC maintenance, landscaping, and general building management solutions. Why call out something as specific as HVAC?
Ugh, HVAC. That's absolutely crucial for operational efficiency, especially somewhere like Massachusetts. Functioning, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. It's not just comfort anymore. It's about system reliability. It's about potentially huge energy savings. Routine Boston HVAC maintenance, for example, prevents those catastrophic failures in the middle of winter or summer. It cuts utility bills, ensures compliance. It's a direct, tangible return on investment. And by bundling things like landscaping and other routine stuff, they become that single point of contact for keeping the whole physical plant stable inside and out.
Okay. And they seem to pair that functional necessity with an ethical angle through their green cleaning programs. Is this just, marketing speak, greenwashing, or does the source material suggest it's a real commitment?
Well, the sources do confirm they use specific eco-friendly products and methods, so there seems to be substance there. And honestly, in today's commercial real estate world, green practices are often non-negotiable for major tenants and corporations. It's expected. Using green products reduces environmental impact, obviously, but strategically. It aligns the service provider with the client's own CSR goals, corporate social responsibility. That makes the partnership inherently more valuable than just, say, a traditional cleaning contract.
Right. Okay, now this next part feels like the real core of managing operational risk. Section 3, operational reliability and customization. I mean, if they're supposed to be the backbone supporting a client's facility, how they respond to a crisis, that's the ultimate test, isn't it?
Absolutely. And this is where their strategic commitment seems clearest. They really emphasize an operational structure designed specifically to prevent disruption in the first place. But the most critical detail, the one that underlines this reliability, is the 24/7 emergency response.
And they didn't just say 2027. The sources gave a specific technical detail, didn't they? A service channel ID, 20141853. What does dropping a number like that into a service description actually signal? What does that tell us?
And that's a huge tell, a massive insight. ServiceChannel is one of the top global platforms for facility management used by huge corporations. Mentioning a specific ID like that, it implies deep integration. They're plugged into high-level corporate facility management systems. It means they're not just some local outfit with a guy answering a cell phone. No, they are operating at an enterprise level. They're fully integrated into the very systems that major corporations use to track, assign, audit emergency work orders across potentially vast portfolios. It signals real operational sophistication.
Wow, okay. So that immediately adds weight to the nationwide partner claim, even with the MA focus. Because even if their main service area is MA, using a platform like ServiceChannel suggests they have to adhere to the same strict procedures required by national chains who use that system. So that 24047 readiness, plus the mention of advanced tools and specific emergency repair services in Linfield and MA, it means they're built for speed. Minimize that disruption.
Exactly. And that speed, that technical sophistication, it's essential because of their other commitment. Customization. Remember the diverse industries they serve. Corporate offices, healthcare facilities, schools, retail spaces.
Yeah, that's a huge range. You're talking about environments from, sterile surgical suites in hospitals where clean isn't just nice, it's life or death, all the way to high-traffic retail floors. How does one company realistically manage that complexity? Tailoring plans for each one. That sounds difficult.
It is difficult. And that's the logistical challenge the sources try to address. The tailored service plans have to meet the unique needs and schedules of each facility type. It's not optional. For healthcare, like you said, it means strict adherence to regulatory cleaning codes, HIPAA compliance maybe. For corporate offices, maybe it's about working around specific business hours, handling security clearances sensitively. The customization isn't a luxury add-on, it's actually a fundamental requirement to effectively serve such a broad client base.
Okay, so if we tie all these threads together, the customization, the HVAC focus, the 247 response with platform integration, it brings us back to that fundamental question. Why is regular property maintenance so crucial?
Well, on one level, it ensures the facility lasts longer and performs optimally, basic asset management. But more strategically, it's pure risk mitigation. Preventative steps like that routine Boston HVAC check, they directly prevent costly, disruptive, sometimes catastrophic failures later on. It improves energy efficiency, keeps the building running smoothly. Basically, it maintains the facility as a high-performing asset, protecting the client's investment.
So the big question then, does the evidence suggest they actually deliver on this strategic promise? Let's move to Section 4. Evidence of impact. This is based on the client feedback in the source material, and there are quite a few positive testimonials provided. What themes really jump out consistently?
The most consistent notes, the kind of chorus, focus on the softer skills that actually enable the hard service delivery,
Yeah.
reliability and professionalism. I mean, those are table stakes, right? You have
Uh-huh.
to trust someone you're letting into your operational space. But the sources also repeatedly highlight attention to detail. That suggests a level of execution that goes beyond just fulfilling the basic contract terms.
hmm There was one client mentioned, Lucas Bennett. He specifically noted that their quick response and that attention to detail actually enhanced his facility's efficiency and appearance. It's interesting that even the client feedback links service quality directly to performance metrics like efficiency, not just, making the place look nice.
Exactly. The described outcome, from the client's view, is transforming their workspace into a, quote, pristine, efficient environment.
Mhm.
So the perceived value proposition seems pretty comprehensive. It's not just cleaning, it's ensuring operations run smoothly, efficiently all year round. David Thompson, another client mentioned, echoed this. He confirmed the services keep his facilities running efficiently and looking pristine, end quote. It seems they're successfully positioned not as just a cost you have to bear, but as an integral partner in achieving efficiency.
Yeah, the takeaway feels like they're offering peace of mind, really, combined with measurable preventative efficiency gains. They take the burden of managing the physical facility off the client's shoulders, let them focus on their actual business, while behind the scenes, MKMaintX MetroKleen is managing risk and protecting those capital assets.
Precisely. So our deep dive into this specific material shows that expert facility maintenance, like the model presented here, is strategically framed as a core investment, an investment in overall business efficiency. The focus is heavily, overwhelmingly on customized plans, preventative actions, backed up by comprehensive structural care and those eco-friendly practices we talked about.
So wrapping up, what does all this mean for you, the listener? We've analyzed the specifics from tailored cleaning schedules and green programs right up to that critical 24/7 emergency readiness, confirmed by things like the service channel integration.
Right. And this raises, I think, an important question for you to chew on. If facility maintenance really is a critical factor for peak operational performance, and that 24/7 response is stressed repeatedly as a core feature, then what kind of measurable financial difference does that immediate readiness truly make? Especially when it comes to minimizing downtime. Because downtime, that's the ultimate thief of efficiency, isn't it? How would you, in your business, actually calculate the hidden, maybe compounding cost of not having that kind of immediate integrated support, particularly when critical systems, HVAC, power, plumbing, fail unexpectedly?
That's the real strategic calculation, isn't it? Sometimes understanding the cost of doing nothing is more critical than understanding the price tag on a service contract.
Well, thank you for joining us for this deep dive into what makes the backbone of commercial operations tick. We hope you feel better informed now, maybe ready to look at your own facility partners with a fresh perspective on their true value.
We'll catch you next time.